Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 16 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be trying out the By Nature Seaweed and Aloe Vera Clay Mask. So this is one that I have definitely never tried anything like this before. I don't have a lot of masks that have aloe vera in it, which is crazy because that's actually really good for your skin. And it says it's a skin booster with natural sea kelp extract combined with the soothing care of aloe vera. It's fragrance free. It says a powerful natural face mask using all the goodness of seaweed and aloe vera, giving skin the TLC and makeover it deserves in just 10 minutes. The perfect at-home spa treatment in one easy step. And then it has their key ingredients, which is seaweed. Sea kelp has a firm reputation as a superfood thanks to its rich protein, vitamins, and mineral content, and a natural ability to moisturize and nourish with its abundance of nutrients. Sea kelp extract is an ideal ingredient for our purifying mask. And then the other one is aloe vera. The faithful aloe vera needs no introduction with a solid reputation for its calming and soothing abilities. It has been a go-to product for calming the skin since the very first century. The aloe vera plant has a rich The aloe vera plant has a rich gel-like liquid within, giving a boost of moisture and hydration that tired, stressed skin loves. So step 1, give your face a quick cleanse and pat dry to remove any excess dirt and makeup. So I've done that. We're actually doing this in the morning today, so we're good to go. And then it says to gently squeeze the sachet. These By Nature products, they call this a sachet instead of a packet. A sachet. It's kind of fun. Okay, disperse the contents. Apply the mask in a thin, even layer to cheeks, chin, T-zone, and forehead. Lay back and relax. Let the goodness condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. Clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. Follow with your normal skincare routine. So, I got my little bowl here and my applicator. So we're just going to cut it at the top right there and squeeze it out. I like how this one actually has that little bump there, because the other one didn't. I kind of had to make one. It is kind of hard to get stuff out when it's in a big packet like this, to get it like all to one end. Just food for thought for anybody making face masks and things like this. Maybe make it a little easier. So that's what it looks like in there. It's kind of like a tan greenish color. It's got a little bit of a funky smell. It's not strong. Hopefully you won't be able to tell when it's on the face. Alright, so I pretty much got it all. It doesn't smell anymore, like I can't smell that funky smell anymore. So either I'm used to it or it's just kind of dissipated. And we're going to set the clock for 10 minutes. So we got that going for 10 minutes. I think I'm getting sick too. So I will come back when it's done, show you what it looks like, and then I'll go wash it off and we'll finish up. Okay, so we're back. It's been a little over the 10 minutes. And yeah, she's looking pretty dry. So it's still wet on my chin and on my nose, a little bit right here, but other than that, it's pretty much all dry. And it's kind of cool how crackly it gets. Like if you didn't have to worry about your skin like drying out completely from doing this, you could use this as a really cool like actual Halloween mask. Okay, alright, we're gonna go wash this off and then we will finish up. Okay, so we are back. I have washed the mask off my face. It does feel a little drying, and the mask did kind of, I wouldn't say it irritated my skin, but there was definitely a sensation going on as it was drying, and I do think that has to do with the fact that I did exfoliate my face last night, so that could be a lot of it. But it does say that it's supposed to be, it says that the sea kelp is supposed to be purifying and the aloe vera is supposed to be moisturizing and hydrating. So I don't know, I would think that I would need to put on a moisturizer after using this because my skin does feel dry right now. I don't know if that's because of the fact that I did exfoliate last night. Probably has a lot to do with it, but I do feel like I would purchase this again and I would use it again. Maybe just to see if it was different the next time because of the fact that it did exfoliate. I do feel like that has a lot to do with the outcome. But I didn't think this was a bad mask. It did have a little bit of a smell at first, but it went away. And I don't know, my face feels really clean afterwards. I would need to go put on a moisturizer now because it does feel like my skin is a little bit dry. So yeah, that's everything for this mask. If you have tried this out before, please comment down below if you're going to go pick it up. Let me know. I got this at Walmart for $2.50, so it's pretty inexpensive. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.